Stock market investing is often viewed as a realm reserved for financial experts, a labyrinth of numbers and charts that can intimidate even the most determined individuals. However, the truth is that stock market investing is an accessible tool for everyone, a gateway to owning a piece of successful companies and growing wealth over time. In a world where traditional savings accounts yield minimal returns, stock market investing offers a compelling alternative, allowing individuals to take charge of their financial futures. At its core, investing in shares means purchasing a small ownership stake in a company. When you buy a share, you are not just acquiring a piece of paper. You are investing in the potential of that company to grow and succeed. The stock price reflects the market's perception of the company's value, which fluctuates based on various factors, including company performance, industry trends, and broader economic conditions. When a company performs well, its stock price tends to rise, providing investors with the opportunity to sell their shares at a profit. Conversely, if a company struggles, its stock price may decline, leading to potential losses for investors. The stock market serves as a bridge between companies seeking capital and investors looking for growth. Companies issue shares to raise money for expansion, research and development, or other initiatives that can drive future profits. Investors, on the other hand, provide the capital in exchange for the potential to earn a return on their investment. This dynamic relationship underscores the importance of understanding risk and return. Every investment carries a degree of risk. The potential for higher returns often comes with the possibility of greater losses. Therefore, it is crucial for beginners to approach stock market investing with a clear understanding of their risk tolerance and investment goals. One of the most effective ways to navigate the stock market is through fundamental analysis. This method involves evaluating a company's financial health by examining its financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. By analyzing key metrics such as revenue growth, profitability, debt levels, and management quality, investors can gain insights into a company's performance and future prospects. For instance, consistent revenue growth and strong profit margins may indicate a well-managed company with a competitive edge in its industry. Conversely, high levels of debt or declining revenues could signal potential red flags. The competitive landscape is another critical aspect of fundamental analysis. Understanding how a company positions itself within its industry can provide valuable context for its performance. For example, a company that consistently outperforms its competitors may be better equipped to weather economic downturns and capitalize on growth opportunities. Conversely, a company that struggles to keep pace with its peers may face challenges that could impact its stock price. Once investors have a solid grasp of fundamental analysis, they can explore various investment strategies tailored to their financial goals and risk tolerance. Value investing, for instance, involves identifying undervalued companies that the market has overlooked. Investors seek stocks trading below their intrinsic value, believing that the market will eventually recognize their worth. This strategy requires patience and a keen eye for potential, as it may take time for the market to correct itself. Growth investing, on the other hand, focuses on companies with high growth potential. These firms may not yet be profitable, but investors are willing to pay a premium for the opportunity to participate in their future success. This strategy often involves investing in technology or innovation-driven companies that are poised for rapid expansion. While growth investing can offer significant rewards, it also carries higher risks, as not all growth stories pan out as expected. Dividend investing is another strategy that appeals to those seeking stable income. This approach involves investing in established companies with a history of paying dividends. These companies typically exhibit steady revenue and profitability, making them less volatile than their growth-oriented counterparts. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a reliable income stream, particularly for retirees or those looking to supplement their income. As you embark on your investing journey, it's essential to approach stock market investing as a long-term endeavor. The stock market is inherently volatile, with prices fluctuating based on a myriad of factors. However, history has shown that over time, the stock market tends to rise, rewarding patient investors who stay the course. Thorough research is key to making informed investment decisions. Familiarize yourself with the companies you are considering, understand their business models, and keep abreast of industry trends. Diversification is another critical principle of investing. By spreading your investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes, you can reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. This strategy helps mitigate the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall wealth. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to create a well-rounded portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Staying informed is essential in the ever-evolving landscape of the stock market. Economic indicators, company news, and global events can all influence stock prices. By keeping yourself educated and aware of market trends, you can make more informed decisions and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Engaging with financial news, following reputable analysts, and participating in investment communities can enhance your understanding and provide valuable insights. As you reflect on your personal investment strategy, consider what you hope to achieve through stock market investing. Are you looking to build wealth for retirement, save for a major purchase, or simply grow your financial literacy? Your goals will shape your investment approach and help you determine the right mix of strategies for your unique situation. Moreover, it is essential to foster a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. The stock market is not a static environment. It evolves with changing economic conditions and technological advancements. Embrace the opportunity to learn from both your successes and failures. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Instead, view them as valuable lessons that can inform your future decisions. Engaging with a community of fellow investors can also enhance your learning experience. Sharing insights, discussing strategies, and exchanging ideas with others can provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding of the stock market. Whether through online forums, investment clubs, or social media groups, connecting with like-minded individuals can create a supportive network that encourages growth and exploration. As you take your first steps into the world of stock market investing, or refine your existing approach, remember that the journey is as important as the destination. Investing is not merely about numbers. It is about building a future, creating opportunities, and taking control of your financial destiny. By understanding the fundamentals of stock market investing, developing a solid strategy, and committing to lifelong learning, you can unlock your wealth potential and embark on a rewarding financial journey. In conclusion, stock market investing is an accessible and powerful tool for individuals seeking to grow their wealth. By understanding the core concepts of investing in shares, embracing fundamental analysis, and exploring various investment strategies, beginners can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Remember to approach investing as a long-term journey, prioritize thorough research and diversification, and stay informed about market trends. Reflect on your personal investment goals and foster a mindset of continuous learning as you connect with a community of fellow investors. With dedication and an open mind, you can unlock your wealth potential and take meaningful steps toward achieving your financial aspirations.